Scaredy Squirrel never has big birthday parties. He'd rather celebrate alone, quietly, up in his tree, than party below and risk being taken by surprise. A few surprises Scaredy Squirrel is afraid could spoil the party. Bigfoot, confetti, clownfish, ants, ponies, porcupines. So, he plans a small celebration where he's the only light of the party. Birthday party checklist. Confirm date of birth. Pick a safe location. Choose party colors. Get tuxedo dry cleaned. Prepare cake recipe. Practice breathing to blow up balloons. Blow out candles. Send party invitation to myself. Birth certificate. This certifies Scaredy Orville Squirrel was born on October 3rd at this time, 1:28 and 6 seconds, in Nut Tree. Weight 14.5 grams. Height 8.24 centimeters. Cute? Yes. Teeth? No. Fleas? No. Nutty cake recipe. 200 grams of flour, 220 grams of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 240 ml of milk, 800 ml of sunflower oil, 480 grams of nuts, 120 for non-rodents. Scaredy Squirrel's baking instructions. Preheat oven to 177.8 degrees and keep fire extinguisher nearby. Verify expiration dates on all ingredients. Mix dry ingredients. Then add egg, milk, and oil. Do not forget about the nuts. Stir clockwise. Pour carefully into greased pan. Bake precisely for 45 minutes and 32 seconds. Put on heavy-duty oven gloves and remove from oven. Let cool and decorate. Make it pleasing to the eye. Scaredy, you're invited to Scaredy Squirrel's birthday party. When? Today, 1 p.m. Where? Nut Tree, Unknown Avenue. Yes, I can. No, I can't. I have to wash my fur. Scaredy Squirrel heads down to post his invitation. He pauses when he spots a card tucked inside his mailbox. Roses are red, violets are blue. I just had to be the first to wish a happy birthday to you. Sincerely, Buddy. Scaredy gives it some thought. He decides that a kindly gesture deserves a kindly response. So, he changes the invitation to Scaredy Squirrel's Buddy. But, inviting a guest is a risky move. A few last-minute items. Scaredy needs to throw a party at ground level. Safety goggles. A carrot. Deck of cards. Earmuffs. Cookies. Beethoven statue. Rented party tent. Fishing rod. Birthday party of 2 plan. Send invitation to Buddy on the fly. To avoid being taken for a ride, attach carrot to fishing rod to lure away ponies. Clownfish have tricks up their sleeves and are no laughing matter. Humor them with a hard-headed guest who will never crack a smile. Confetti gets out of control. Keep it away by celebrating undercover. Bigfoot is a huge party crasher. Build a house of cards, so he stomps on that instead of the tent. Ants are no picnic. They eat everything in their path. These party poopers will hit the road when they come across a tasty trail of cookies. Porcupines and balloons? Need I say more? If disaster pops up, think fast. Put on goggles and earmuffs. Note to self, if all else fails, play dead and cancel party. Important. The secret to a successful party is all in the details. Detail 1. Start conversation topics for small talk. Good idea. How about the great weather we've been having? So, do you come here often? If you were a tree, what kind of tree would you be? Bad idea. Before we shake paws, have you been checked for fleas? They say mints help fight bad breath. Psst, be my guest. Is that a muskrat on your head? Oops. It's a toupee. Detail 2. Determine the do's and don'ts of partying. Don't spill anything. Surprise the birthday squirrel. Listen to loud music. Eat too many sweets. Break dance. Double dip. Play piñata games. Do sit quietly. Detail 3. Prepare a birthday schedule. Serve punch. Look out for clownfish, ants, Bigfoot, confetti, ponies, and porcupines. Serve dip. Brush teeth. Make small talk. Play a quiet game of dominoes. Look out again for clownfish, ants, Bigfoot, confetti, ponies, and porcupines. Locate fire extinguisher. Bring out cake. Take a breath and blow out a candle. Look out again for clownfish, ants, Bigfoot, confetti, ponies, and porcupines. Eat cake. Brush teeth. Read thank you speech. Look out for the last time clownfish, ants, Bigfoot, confetti, ponies, and porcupines. Sit quietly. The party's over. Start planning next year's birthday. Step by step, Scaredy Squirrel carefully prepares for his party. Everything is perfect, right down to the last detail. But at 1 p.m., surprise! Party animals appear. This was not part of the plan. Scaredy Squirrel panics. He scatters. He stops the music. He chases. He screams. He ducks. He freezes. And plays dead. Seconds later. Minutes later. 2 hours later. Scaredy Squirrel finally opens his eyes. He sees that his birthday cake is lit and everyone is sitting quietly. Scaredy Squirrel blows out his birthday candle. He forgets all about the clownfish, ants, Bigfoot, confetti, ponies, and porcupines. This party is going to be a piece of cake. Afterwards, Scaredy Squirrel receives something unexpected. A birthday present. Oak tree interpretation. Some handsome squirrel portrait. Some sort of purple, unidentified flying object thingy. Puppy signatures. Heartwarming symbol of affection. Elegant wood finish frame. Scaredy gives it some thought. He decides that a kindly gesture deserves a kindly response. So, he changes next year's invitation to Scaredy Squirrel's buddy, plus pecan, cashew, peanut, hazel, cocoa, pine nut, pistachio, mac, and Damien. When? Next year, at 1 p.m. Where? Not tree. Unknown avenue. Next year's birthday party checklist. Confirm date of birth. Rent larger party tent. Choose party colors. Dress casual. Bake bigger cake. Practice breathing to calm down. Shrink wrap everything. Buy dog biscuits. Put on good shoes. Wear top-of-the-line earplugs. Buy toothbrushes in bulk. Get a frisbee. Install hand sanitizer dispenser. P.S. This birthday party left Scaredy Squirrel speechless. The thank you speech. Scaredy Squirrel has a birthday party. By Melanie Watt. Read with the voice of Eliot Rite. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. It really means a lot. Thanks. This has been Eliot Rite, writing goodbye. Till next time.